JD, this coin is tremendous. People are saying maybe the most tremendous coin ever.
We're 9 seconds in, and compliance has already texted me. Forget the sales pitch. What does someone actually own when they buy Trump?
A fantastic coin.
We're gonna need nouns, sir.
Trump is a fungible crypto token. You can hold it, transfer it, or trade it.
And admire it.
Admiration remains optional.
But why does somebody pay money for a meme?
That might be the best question you've asked. Attention creates demand. Markets turn that demand into a price. There's no hotline where somebody chooses tomorrow's price.
You're sure?
Buyers meet sellers. That's price discovery. Now, the number beginners often skip: supply. 200 million were available initially, with total supply scheduled to reach 1 billion.
Billion. Strong word. Why are those coins in jail?
They're locked, not incarcerated. An unlock schedule defines when previously locked tokens become available.
Crypto parole.
Important distinction: unlocked doesn't automatically mean sold.
Very important.
You sounded unusually relieved there. The official allocation says affiliated creator entities collectively received 80%, subject to unlocking schedules.
Beautiful pie.
I knew you'd focus on the pie. With concentrated ownership, examine who controls supply and when tokens can enter circulation.
So, concentration is bad?
It's a risk factor, not a verdict. Liquidity is how easily you can trade without dramatically moving the price.
I choose the deep pool.
For once, excellent risk management. And Trump didn't just talk about liquidity. Its Kamino campaign deployed over 114,000 tokens as incentives.
Tremendous pool. Please keep your jacket on.
The project says its Solana pool grew from about $2,000 to a $1.66 million peak.
Now can I swim?
Still finance. Trump had something most meme coins would pay dearly for: instant global recognition.
Excellent branding.
Subtle, too. Then Trump started building holder experiences: Coin Club, events, perks, and member access.
And a crown?
Not in the terms.
Coin Club turns token holding into membership-style participation with perks, access, and special experiences. Very exclusive.
The current Coin Club even ranks members using time-weighted Trump holdings for an F1 Singapore experience?
I'm taking pole position.
That's not how wallets work. That's the interesting part. Trump is trying to turn attention into an ecosystem around the token.
Tremendous ecosystem. Tremendous remains unmeasurable. So why did Trump catch on?
Recognition brought attention. Community sustained interest. Liquidity improved trading. Experiences gave holders more reasons to participate.
So basically, brilliant coin. 10 out of 10.
You control that scoreboard.
Leadership.
Marketing.
Well, this is the part where I leave. I'm not paid for overtime, you know. Subscribe and goodbye.